Rog here, and today I'm going to be cooking something a bit more on the oriental side. Crispy fried chili beef with peppers and onions in a very delicious sauce, served up on a bed of noodles with some sesame seed toast on the side. Hope you enjoy this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press that button just down there, go on, don't be shy, and then you'll see all the rest of my videos, and all the other ones that I've done in the past. So, sit tight and enjoy the video. Here we have some really tasty sirloin steak. We're going to need 1 egg, some sesame seeds, some corn flour, and some sweet chili sauce, and some soy sauce. And that's all we need for the ingredients for our steak. For the vegetables, we're going to need an onion, a red pepper, a green pepper, some ginger, 1 teaspoon of sugar, some white wine vinegar, and some tomato ketchup. And last but not least, we need a ½ teaspoon of garlic powder. Now, I'm going to put the steak on a chopping board and cut off these fatty bits. Normally, if I'm just cooking a steak, I'd leave those fatty bits on. I quite like those. I shouldn't really, but there you go. I'm going to put them to one side this time. And I'm going to slice our steak down into slices, about 1/4 of an inch. Right, so that's the beef cut up. We'll pop that into a bowl and add some soy sauce. You want about 2 or 3 tablespoons. Cover this all over the meat and put that to one side. Then we start prepping our vegetables. I've got the red pepper here first. We're going to cut that into slices, a bit like this. That's fine. And we're going to be doing the same with our green pepper. Cut that into slices too. Miss out that white pithy stuff, we don't want that. And the onion, slices again. Pretty much everything's cut into slices. There we go. Lovely jubbly. Now, with our piece of ginger, we want to cut off about 1 inch of that. Put the bits to one side, take off the skin. You can use a spoon to do this if you like, but today I'm going to find it easier just to shave it off. So, when you've got all of that skin off, we're going to chop this up really finely. And then go back to the meat that's been in the soy sauce for about 15 minutes. So it's marinated quite nicely, and I'm going to add some corn flour, probably about 2 tablespoonfuls. So we want to get the meat covered right over in this flour, each piece. Bit tricky really, because it's sort of like sticking together, you can see it is. So anyway, when you've done that, then we can crack in 1 egg. Now this 1 egg combined with the corn flour is what's going to give this beef a really nice tasty crunch. So we want to get this totally mixed in. Then we can add some sweet chili sauce of about 3-4 tablespoonfuls, and our sesame seeds, a sprinkling of those. Mix again, and after that we can heat some oil in a wok. Now if you haven't got a wok, guys, you can always use the deep frying pan. While that's heating, I'm going to mix up our sauce. So we need about 1 cup of water, bit more chili sauce in there, some white wine vinegar, just a little drop, some soy sauce again, a hefty squirt of tomato ketchup, and a spoonful of sugar. Just a small spoon will do. Then goes our garlic powder, in that goes. Give this all a mix together and get those flavours incorporated. Here's a little trick my mum taught me. Just to check that the oil's hot enough to fry in, use a bit of bread, and if it bubbles like that, it's all good to go. So we'll pop in our steak pieces. Try and keep these separated if you can. If you put them in one lump, they'll stick together and it just won't be right, really. So we'll get all of those in there. And we're going to cook these off until they're brown and crispy, like this. Take them out of the wok and drain them off on some kitchen towel. That will get rid of any excess grease. Now, I'm going to empty away quite a bit of the oil, leave about 2 tablespoonfuls in there, and gently fry your veggies off. After about 5 minutes, we can add the ginger. We don't put it all in at the same time, because otherwise that ginger's going to burn and it will taste bitter and not very nice at all. So we're going to give this a bit of a stir, and then we can add our sauce. Pop that in, give it another stir. Then we can add our crispy fried beef back to the wok. In that goes. Oh, look at all those colours, guys. That looks well good, doesn't it? And there you have it. Crispy fried chili beef with vegetables. Served with noodles, sesame toast, a couple of chopsticks to eat it with. Now that looks good, doesn't it? That's great for a midweek meal. Any meal. Weekends. Bit special. And boy, does that taste good. So that was another successful meal. Hope you enjoyed it. And please try making this for yourself. It's easy. So thank you so much for watching this latest video of mine. Hope you've enjoyed it. Hope you enjoy my channel. Thank you to all my subscribers and all those people that watch this video. And yeah, see you again next time. It's bye from me. It's bye from me, the Gourmet Grandad, aka Rog.